Welcome to Top Automotive. My name is Nick, owner and master technician of the shop. So I wanted to talk a little bit about what we do here. We are actually a specialized shop in Porsche, luxury exotics, including Ferrari, Lamborghini, and a couple other selected makes from Italy or Great Britain. We are also IMS certified and the only certified shop in North Carolina, and we're also Porsche engine certified as well. So what we do here is we do performance and service and repairs, just like you would take your car to the dealership, except we're on a little bit on a higher level in my opinion. And we'll let our customers speak for our work. We perform not only just your regular routine maintenance, repairs, engine builds, but we also do performance builds. We can build you a performance engine, kind of like I have here. This is M96, naturally aspirated, bored out billet rods, CP pistons. Everything's been completely redone, ready for the track. Or we can build you a 911 turbo that can produce anywhere from 700 wheel horsepower all the way to 1200 wheel horsepower. Really all depends on what you want. You know, we can stick some nice alpha turbos in there, redo all the internals, put you some 4.3 bore size engine, or we can keep your engine stock and give you about close to 600 wheel horsepower safely, or run you E85. So there's a lot of different options we can do. When our customers walk through the door, some of them don't know exactly what they want to do because they read forms, and sometimes some of the forms you can read, you can get very confused. And we're here to set that and level that straight so people know exactly what they need, so they don't buy things that they don't need, bolt-ons that maybe are useless. So what we'd like to do is use parts that we can actually gain power. We don't want anything extra on the vehicle because some of the stuff that's being sold out there doesn't really work with some of the builds that we do. So if you come see us, we'll always be able to know exactly what you want after we interview you and find out what you're looking for, whether it's going to be a street car or a track car, autocross vehicle, whatever that may be. But I could tell you all this, but what you really have to hear is our testimonials from our customers.
Hi guys, my name is Paul. I am one of the customers here at Top Automotive. I have bought my Porsche 911 Turbo in November of 2019. Bought it from Southern California, drove it all the way up here. On the way up here, actually, I noticed a couple of issues, and I had Nick work on my previous car. I had an Italian exotic. I had him brought it over here. I knew that he owned a 911 Turbo himself, which was very comforting to know because he was very knowledgeable, advised me very well about the car as well. So I had brought it over here. We had it put on the lift, went ahead and pulled the motor down, and there was a lot of things that weren't mentioned by the previous owner in the previous shop with some of the issues that they hadn't addressed, or they said that they had addressed. While we had the engine out, we had all the coolant pinnings fixed, had big turbos put in, E85, so 1300cc injectors. Since it's been in Nick's hands, it's been flawless. I love it. I always bring it here for any kind of maintenance, any kind of performance. We are pushing about 840 horsepower to the crank, basically maxed out on stock internals. Only way I'm gonna make more horsepower is to go with a built internal engine, which Nick can also provide me.
So anyways, thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.
Top Automotive.
And I also want to thank Costanzas Media for shooting this video clip.